I knew see Gigi in heat again because she was bleeding and stuff the other day. I knew I wasn't tripping. So I gotta watch Freaky Man. Is she getting on to this nigga because he stopped? Yes, I'm looking, Gigi. I'm looking. That's why he stopped, Gigi, because I'm here. He telling you to play it cool, but you didn't know because you was enjoying it too much, you freak hoe. Oh, get your freak ass down. I'm here trying to mop floors and you trying to mop pussy. You trying to mop pussy. Get back. Nah, what you got going? Nah. Buff chicken nigga, what you got going, huh? What you got going, chicken nigga? Look, put that meat up. We ain't doing that. You already got one baby mama pregnant. We don't need no more. Come on, get upstairs so I can finish mopping on the floor. You just fucking walked on. Come on,